everybody. So this was my first resin workshop and it was taken by Megha. She was really helpful. She started with giving us notes about how we go about resin, various types of resin, various types of pours. Yesterday we did our coaster pours and this pretty tray, and today we had our beach pour, which are right there. We're going to show it to you next. And yeah, it was an amazing experience, and it was like one of those Instagram videos that we see. It was very therapeutic and it's so satisfying to watch. So this whole experience was very satisfying and I'm happy that I've come to this. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, I'm Vinita and I did this workshop. I found out about it from Megha's Instagram and I think it has been a wonderful experience. It's very therapeutic and I think Megha was really helpful when she taught us everything very patiently and we thoroughly enjoyed it. I think that's something that everyone should try because it really de-stresses you in a way and whatever you create turns out to be really beautiful. So thank you to Megha, thank you to the epoch team, and we look forward to doing such more such workshops so we can learn more. So you guys should definitely try it. Thanks.
The workshop by Megha was really good. I had a lot of fun. She taught a lot of new techniques to me. I have done this before, but with a different kind of chemical. And this was a new learning, a good experience, and I'm going to keep doing this as a hobby. Thank you.
I'm Sukant and I'm attending this resin making workshop today. It's a lot of fun. I love to play with colors and I've always been enamored by this whole resin art that I keep watching on YouTube and other Instagram posts. So here I am making this by myself and it's a lot of fun and understand the whole, it looks very easy but it's a lot more technical when it comes to doing the real work and I'm totally loving this. It's so much fun.
So this workshop was really great and I just used to see videos of on Instagram about resin and it used to look really cool and this is the first time I'm using resin and it's really cool to be able to do what you always just see other people doing and it's come out really well also, so I'm pretty happy with what we got out of this workshop.
Well, I came here because I was just curious about resin and it's been a good introduction. Usually it's a complex topic, take a long time to figure out, but yeah, it's a good introduction.
Resin art was something that I did not know before, but over the Instagram I learned what it is and it was a great weekend stress buster for me. And today's workshop was more interesting than yesterday because yesterday I just got to know about the products and what to use, where to use, when to use and all that. But today was more into an effect types. Thank you.
Hi, and today we are at Zwindy and we're just done with the workshop. So Megha was the instructor and today we learned how to pour resin on a canvas and you can see that we've got a beautiful effect with some shells on the bottom and it was really informative and we really enjoyed the session. And we've used Fortune Chemi resin, which is a really good resin. I think if you are actually looking out to use it in the art project, this is the one even I actually recommend it to you. And looking forward for many more classes. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Legit. This is my first experience with resins, especially beach pour. Been following Megha and Fortune Chemi for past few months, and I got an opportunity to try it out. This is my first time. This is just the beginning. Thank you.
First of all, thank you Megha for such a wonderful workshop. It was absolutely amazing. So probably I'll attend the next workshop as well if you have some of the gear. And it was absolutely fun and you were so passionate. Yeah, about it. Seeing your passion probably will probably inspired me.
Make sure you take a photo
Thank
of
you.
your
Hi, my name is Gunjan and I've been to this workshop for the first time and I really enjoyed it because there was a lot of colors to play with and I'm sure I'll go to more workshops like this now. So, and I'm going to try this at home for sure. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Ralph Daniels and I'm attending this workshop by Megha and I've always been interested in resin art because you're on Instagram and then I follow a lot of artists and art pages and profiles. So what really amazed me, and there's this curiosity factor when people make these huge pieces made of resin and centerpieces and coffee tables and all these swirls of colors and the way it sets and and the translucency factor of it, and finally get to put my hands on the actual thing and be able to create something and actually learn all the small technicalities. So it's a great thing, and that too in 2 days, within a few hours. Nothing like it for a weekend.